How to fix not showing in settings, fingerprint option is missing. So if you want to fix your fingerprint option is not showing or if it's missing, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down, go with your password and security, or you can also go with about phone. Under about phone, you need to go with detailed info, scroll down, and here you will have kernel version. So you need to tap on the kernel version for a few times and you will get this kind of interface. And from here you need to scroll all the way down and you will have an option of fingerprint sensor test or fingerprint and scroll. So you need to tap on that test option, sensor test, tap on allow. Make sure to remove your password from your device, tap enroll and use your finger to touch your sensor. If the test gets failed, that means you have a hardware issue, but there are some ways on how you can fix this. But if you pass, then you don't have any error. Before you go to the service center and solve your problem, open settings, scroll down to the apps section. Under app, you need to go with manage apps, and then on the top right, you will have 3 dots. You need to tap on it and go with show all apps. After tapping on show all apps, you need to go with the search, and under search, you need to search for finger, which is fingerprint test, and here you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom, and then clear all of your data. Now restart your device. Now if you open up your settings after resetting your device, you will have your password and security section, and under that you will have the fingerprint option. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.